Today I will be showing you how to make a Lee Enfield bolt disassembly tool. I'm going to be using my Ishapore 2A1, but this should be the same across all SMLE Lee Enfields. This will work by cutting two small fins into the front of the hexagonal side. Then it will fit into the bolt body like this, and it will interlock with a firing pin, so that we can unscrew the firing pin and take the bolt apart. For this you can use either a 6mm or 1/4 inch deep socket. You need to mark about 1/8 of an inch space on two of the opposing corners of the hexagonal side, and that will be the material that remains during the next step. During this clip, I'll go over my process. What I did was I cut down into the face of the socket on both sides of the little like Hitler mustache thing I made. Then after that I cut crossway to remove all of that material that I had just made. Then where the Sharpie mark was, I left that there. You could definitely do this with a hacksaw or something like that. I did it with a Dremel tool just because it's a tool that I had, but if you don't have power tools, I'm sure you can do this the hard way as well. As you're supposed to do when doing this kind of project, I intentionally left extra space and then used this rat tail file in order to remove enough material that I could slide it all the way into where it needed to go. As an added step, you can file or grind back the collar of the socket, and that's what I did just so I could get a little bit more room and a little bit more torque. So if this was helpful to you, or if you have any questions or suggestions for others following this process, leave a comment down below. Please like this video and subscribe if you'd like to see some more of these types of things. I'm going to be doing another video shortly, probably next week, that will be fixing the magazine issues that my Ishapore had. At the end of this video, I'm just going to show you how to disassemble the bolt with your new tool. And one other thing I'd like to note, a benefit of doing it this way, is that if your bolt is incredibly stuck because of Cosmoline, you have a ratchet head that you can put in there and force it a little bit. So the first step is to pull it back and then flip that little lever up and pull it out. Set the gun down. Then you can just screw off the bolt head. So you do need a little screwdriver, and you come back here, flathead, undo that screw, and that is just a set screw to hold the firing pin in place. So set that to the side, and then you can decock it, and this is what we made the tool for. So that can slide in there like that. Then you just have to twist. Mine likes to stick, so if yours does, grab a ratchet, put it on there, set it to loosen. And the first time I did this, I wrapped this in painter's tape and put a C-clamp on it so I could get extra grip because it was really not coming off from Cosmoline. However, now it should work to just muscle it a little bit. So put that in there, and just want to grab it and twist it. Take that off, and with our new tool, the firing pin should come all the way out along with the spring, and then the cocking piece is on the back.